araw po muli mga kaguro, kaibigan at kaempleyado. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, si Atty. Resty Toballas Adarayan. Nagpapaalala sa inyo that ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. Kaya palagi kayong manood sa ating YouTube channel, Ang Guro, Batas at ang Bayan, para marami kayong matutunan. Come on! Pag-usapan natin yung duration of penalty under the revised Penal Code of the Philippines. Handa na ba kayo? Come on! What is Revised Penal Code of the Philippines? Well, yung Revised Penal Code of the Philippines, dito po nakapaloob karamihan sa mga krimen na pinaparusahan dito sa Pilipinas. Pero ito ay ginawa noong 1932 pa. It took effect on January 1st, 1932. Kaya hindi lahat ng mga krimen na mayroon tayo ngayon ay nakapaloob sa Revised Penal Code. Ibang krimen ay pinaparusahan. Krimen ay pinaparusahan sa tinatawag natin Special Penal Laws. Ginawa ng Philippine Congress. Kasi hindi nga po lahat ng krimen nabanggit sa Revised Penal Code. Revised Penal Code is Act number 3815. It is inspired by Spanish Penal Code. Usually, naririnig natin yung mga penalties is Spanish terms. Kaya yun ang ating pag-aaralan ngayon. Pinakamataas na penalty sa Pilipinas is death penalty. Kaya lang suspended ngayon yung ating death penalty. Kaya ang pinakamataas na parusa ngayon, reclusion perpetua. The duration of penalties is based on Article 27 of the Revised Penal Code. We have reclusion perpetua, which shall be 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. So bakit mayroon pang 1 day? This is exactly to determine the duration of penalty from one up to the other. Kaya mayroon tayong 1 day. Reclusion temporal is 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Presyon mayor shall be 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Presyon correctional, suspension, desterro shall be 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Aresto mayor 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. Aresto minor 1 day to 30 days. So yun po yung ating duration of penalty.